kebab recipe has 2 mushrooms, 2 shrimp, 2 cherry tomatoes, and 2 zucchini slices. That word looks a lot like mucus. I'm sure the kebab would taste much better than that. Okay, but now you are having a summer barbecue party in your backyard, and you're planning on making kebabs. But just like grad dresses, you do not want 2 people to be like looking down and going, "Did you get the same kebab that I have?" This is disastrous, right? This is like the worst, right? That's the way you set up online things to make sure 2 people aren't wearing the same dress for the same reason. You don't want to get the same kebab at the party. So now you're worried. You're like, how many people can I invite to my backyard if I'm going to do mushroom, shrimp, cherry, zucchini kebabs to make sure that no 2 people look and say, I've got the same kebab? Because especially if you're using those metal skewers, like it's going to be disastrous. Fights are going to break out. Not that. I have a story about metal skewers, maybe if we have time. So, can you see that normally, if you had decided to have 8 different vegetables, it would be 8 factorial. But we have identical objects. We have 2 mushrooms, 2 shrimps, 2 cherry tomatoes, and 2 zucchini slices. So we would have to divide that up. Ooh, there's some mental math for you. I think that's right. 2,520. So you still could technically invite a lot of people to your backyard to avoid any skewer fights if 2 people looked down and saw that they had the same one. Right? My bad skewer. Some skewers are like just bamboo sticks. Those ones are safe. My parents, when I was growing up, had metal ones, and I like saw it on the barbecue and said, "Ooh, that looks tasty," and I grabbed one right off the barbecue. I had a blister in a circle on my hand from the metal skewer. Wasn't the smartest idea. Okay, questions for this one? 7 and 9.